Copilot Notebook is a place where you can collect your ideas, notes, and content, and use Copilot to work with them in one view, instead of searching across files and tools. You bring the context together and let Copilot help you think, summarize, and refine your work. It's useful when you want to stay focused, keep related information in one place, and move faster from ideas to action. After you add your documents to the notebook, you can use Copilot to work directly with this material. Copilot uses only the content in this notebook to answer your questions, summarize information, and support your work. You can also share the notebook with others to collaborate together. If needed, you can create an audio file, a mind map, or a study guide based on the same material, all in one place.